All right, so today we're going to be diving deep into something that's especially relevant here in South Florida.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm talking about staying cool while saving some serious cash,
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan.
especially in this heat.
Right, you got it.
We're talking about Goodman AC units,
Okay.
and more specifically, the benefits of going wholesale.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you might be thinking, wholesale, is that even something that I should be thinking about?
Right.
But whether you're a homeowner thinking about renovations or contractor, stocking up for a bunch of different projects,
Yeah,
this deep dive is for you.
absolutely. And what's really interesting is Goodman has kind of carved a niche for themselves
Right.
by hitting that sweet spot
Yeah.
of affordability and efficiency and reliability,
Yeah.
all those things you really want in an AC unit.
Right.
Especially down here, we rely on them.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So let's break down why Goodman is making waves.
Okay.
The sources emphasize their reputation for energy efficiency,
Right.
which, as we all know, translates to lower energy bills.
Yes.
But how much lower are we talking? Like, are we talking pocket change, or are we talking...
I mean, imagine this. You swap out your old unit,
Right.
you get a Goodman model with a high SEER rating.
Okay.
You could be looking at like a 20% reduction in your energy bill.
Oh,
That's real money
okay, yeah, 20%.
back in your pocket,
That's not insignificant.
month after month.
Yeah. Okay, but hold on. For those of us, maybe not HVAC experts,
Right.
can you explain what SEER even means and why it matters so much?
Absolutely. So SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio.
Okay.
And basically, the higher the SEER rating, the more efficiently the unit is going to convert energy into coolant power.
Okay.
So a higher SEER,
Yeah.
less energy wasted, and more savings for you.
Got it. High SEER equals happy wallet.
There you go.
Love it. Okay, so what about the wholesale aspect of this whole thing?
Right.
What does that even mean? How does that benefit me as a consumer?
So think of wholesale like buying in bulk. So you're getting a discounted price because you're buying a bigger quantity. This can be a huge advantage for, homeowners tackling those big renovations or contractors who need a bunch of units for different projects.
Right. Makes total sense. Now, our sources point to a company called Wholesale AC Services.
Right.
In Miami. They specialize in, guess what?
Goodman AC Wholesale.
Goodman AC Wholesale.
Yeah.
They cater to both homeowners and contractors.
Exactly. So they're creating this convenient kind of one-stop shop
Yeah.
for high-quality units at competitive prices. And this is kind of where Goodman's reputation for durability comes in.
Okay.
They're known for using top-notch components like Copeland compressors, which are known for their reliability and how long they last.
So not only are you saving money up front with this wholesale pricing,
Right.
but you're also getting a unit that's built to last,
Right.
potentially saving you even more in the long run
Exactly.
on repairs and replacements.
It's about maximizing that return on investment.
Yeah, totally. Okay. So we've established that Goodman units are energy efficient, durable,
Right.
easy on the wallet, especially when purchased wholesale.
Yeah.
But let's talk about after sales.
Okay.
What happens when I need my unit installed or serviced?
Well, that's another area where wholesale AC services really shines.
Okay.
They offer fast delivery and expert support. And that's super important because remember, a poorly installed or poorly maintained unit can just completely negate all those efficiency benefits we were talking about.
You know what? I'm so glad you brought that up because I remember when my old AC unit went kaput in the middle of July a few years ago.
Oh, yeah.
Talk about living in a sauna.
I bet.
Having reliable service. Like, that's such a lifesaver, especially in this climate.
Absolutely. It's about having that peace of mind.
Yeah.
That if something goes wrong, you've got a team of experts that you can call
Yep.
who are going to get things up and running
Yeah.
quickly and efficiently.
So to recap, we've got energy savings,
Yeah.
wholesale discounts,
Mm-hmm.
durable units,
Yeah.
and reliable service. Seems like Goodman AC and companies like Wholesale AC Services are offering a pretty compelling package.
They really are. And it raises an interesting question. Could this combination of affordability and efficiency make wholesale the new standard for AC installations, especially as we all become more focused on sustainability?
Yeah, that's something to think about. If you're in the market for a new AC unit, exploring Goodman and the world of wholesale might just be the smartest move you make.
Yeah, I think so.
Until next time, stay cool.
Stay cool.